Hello guys, good day. So today I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to install OpenVAS 2, which is a vulnerability scanner, just like Lenses. So without much talking, let's head over to our terminal and show you how to install this, okay? So the first step to actually install your OpenVAS is to update your repository by simply typing sudo apt update and then click on enter, and this is going to update your repository, okay? Okay, so you can see guys, my repository has been updated. So I'm just going to clear my screen and then head over to the type. So after that, I want to install OpenVAS by simply typing sudo apt install OpenVAS, okay? And then click on enter, and this is going to install OpenVAS for you. Okay, so it says here selecting GVM instead of OpenVAS. So here, that asks you to continue. Just click on Y, and then click on enter. And this is going to install OpenVAS in a few minutes, okay? So after that, you are going to come to this page, which will allow you to install PostgreSQL 18, because that's what OpenVAS now uses. So you have to move your product to this other side and agree to that, and click on yes, click on enter, and that is going to install and update your PostgreSQL from version 16 to version 18. Okay, so that is just going to load now, and I think you need to do that twice. Okay. So yes, this option comes back again for you to make sure that you're accepting the PostgreSQL version 18. Okay, just click on that, click on enter since it's already on yes, and we are good to go. Okay, for here it says which services do you want to restart. You can just click on this light DM services and click on enter, and that's almost ready. All right, and that's it, guys. So for us to verify if this has successfully installed, I'm just going to clear my screen one more time and just simply type sudo gbm-check -setup. Okay, click on enter, and this is just going to go through all the processes that we have just installed to confirm that we installed what successfully. So let's just give this some time and we're good to go. All right, so it says that you can see this error tab. It says the GVM this solution is not complete yet. Please follow the instruction marked with fixed above to fix this. So this is the instruction here, marked with fixed. So you just have to type in this. Okay, and then just Ctrl C, Shift Ctrl C to copy, and then paste that here, and this is going to this is going to install it successfully for us. Okay, so you're just going to do that, and if we can just check that one more time, check setup to confirm that. Let's see, it's loading. Oh, one more error. You can see the other error, right? Again in the fixed section. So it says they run the MVT synchronization this and that. Just type in, just copy this under the fixed section. Then click on enter, paste this one more time. This is just going to install that for you. Okay, now so it's going to download all the stuff, all the files that you need. This is going to take some time. So as you can see, it says downloading Notus file, and this is just going to take maybe some time, right? So I'm just going to chill back and use some magic to edit this to go faster, okay? Because this definitely does take maybe 10 minutes according to your network speed at the end of the day, okay? So after the Notus file has been downloaded, you can see it moves on to the NASL files, okay? All right, so that has successfully downloaded. And just take that one more time to see if there's any error one more time, and this is okay. Okay, so I don't think there's an error. Everything is intact. Checking permissions for this, checking the obsolete registry data, and this is still loading. Let's check that. Any moment from now, we're good to go. Okay, it says here again that this is not complete yet, so we just need to run this one more time. So those Greenbone thing, that should Ctrl C to copy that. I think this is going to be the last fix. So it's downloaded this cap data now. All right. So previously you downloaded the Notus and go up. All right. You previously downloaded the Notus file and the NASL file. All right. So these are all the dependencies and the plugins that are required for OpenVAS to definitely work. All right. So this is downloading and it should be done in a moment. So it takes time actually, but it should be done like less than 5 minutes. Okay guys, so that has been downloaded. So what we need to do is we'll just clear the screen one more time. Okay, and I just have to check the status again, or the setup, if everything is actually installed successfully. Okay, so this is just going to check to the plugins, and you can see they are all okay. Right, let's just confirm that. If there's any more error, there's going to be the fix, or there's going to be a fix for that error. It says here that this is not complete, so you just have to do for the start, and then after that, I think that is all. Okay, so you can see it, copy that, and then let me just clear my screen. Also paste that. Okay. So this is already the set or the certificate that you need as well. Okay. So all these things are the dependencies and the plugins that are needed for OpenVAS definitely work. Okay, and this is done very quickly. Clear my screen, check the setup. Okay. So not yet complete. So we need to run this. All right. We need to run this one. Okay, and just click on this, switch on to C, clear my screen, paste that as well. Okay, so it's creating database, creating database, creating permissions, creating extensions. Amazing. So all this is done. Let's clear one more time and setup. Okay, so yes, no, there's one more error. We need to create a user. It says here that you can see this is what create a user. Okay, so we just need to create a user that we can use for ourselves. Okay, we can definitely use for ourselves that we can log. So I'm going to clear my screen after copying that and then paste. So I'm just going to edit some few functions there, like the password to start with. Okay, I'm just going to choose a weak password like password 1. And I'm just going to head over to my name, just choose something like so far. Okay, can I spell? Okay, click on enter. This is going to create a new user for us called so far user. I can see here it says what user created. Let's just check the setup one more time. Is there any error? All right, so we finally have the message that says that my installation is okay. I remember we created a new user at the top called so far password of password 1. Don't know if you can see that. Let me just take you back to the top. You can see we created a new user so far and the password 1. Okay. All right, so since we created a new user, what we need to do next is simple. We just need to start the services. Let's clear the screen and then just head over to our terminal and type in sudo spell gvm start. Okay. Oh, I got an error. I couldn't spell sudo, guys. I couldn't spell sudo, so pardon me. Okay, so sudo gvm start to do the job. Okay. And it says that the GVM services are already running. So if it was not running before, you definitely have to just type in this and then definitely start running. Okay. So I just have to go to my browser. I love using Chrome browser actually. So I'm just going to go to my Chrome browser. So the reason I'm using a Chrome or a browser is because I need to access OpenVAS through a web portal. Okay. And I'm going to tell you the ports that OpenVAS does in. And simply, I just have to type in here https. I can spell colon // 127.0.0.1 and colon 9392. Okay, that is where OpenVAS does it. Okay, 9392. Click on enter, and this is going to take us to the OpenVAS page. But before that, it's asking us for some information because this is Chrome. You just have to click on advanced and then click on proceed. Okay, and as you can see from the header, is already showing to OpenVAS, and we are currently on the login page for OpenVAS. Can I zoom in? Yes, I can zoom in. Let me just zoom in one more time. All right, so it says I should sign into my account. Remember, I created a user called Tofa and a very weak password of password 1 with lowercase p. This is just going to log in, sign in, and is there any error? Oh, no error. So we are currently on the dashboard for OpenVAS. Okay, so that is how easy it is to install OpenVAS on Kali. So in my next video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can launch your first scan and discover vulnerabilities, discover ports as well in OpenVAS. Okay, or through OpenVAS. Okay, so cheers, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the best time for you to subscribe so that you will be able to see more content like this on how you can sharpen your explorer hacking skills. Okay, also before I go, I want to show you how to actually change your password. You can just click on this guy over here and click on settings. So when these settings load, just have to scroll down a little bit and you can see this password tab, right? Just have to click on the edit button and then input the old password, which is password 1, and then can use a very secured password now, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's very secured. So yeah, you can just confirm the password you just inserted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as well, and then click on save. Okay, so if you want to log out now, and then click this guy one more time, click on logout, and type in my username again, TOF4 so far. My password won't be password 1 again. It's my very secure password, okay? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, click on enter, and we are back to the user settings. All right, so that is how easy it is for us to, get OpenVAS installed in our Kali Linux. So yes, guys, thank you for watching, and like I made mention, subscribe to get more videos, more educational videos like this as well. Next video will be on how to launch your first campaign or how to launch your first vulnerability scan through OpenVAS. Yes, guys.